Comfort, efficiency, and safety are key selling points for any family-focused three-row SUV, and the 2025 Toyota Highlander easily checks those boxes, bolstered by the brand's representative for reliability. The problem for the Highlander is that more than a few mid-size three-row SUVs also deliver on those points and gain advantages elsewhere. Some spoilers come from within Toyota itself, with the more fuel-efficient Highlander Hybrid and more spacious Grand Highlander, both of which are reviewed separately. Then there's the Kia Telluride, which has dominated the class since it debuted in 2020 and has been a regular on our 10 best trucks and SUVs list. We'd also steer shoppers toward the related Hyundai Palisade and the stylish Mazda CX-90. While the Highlander gets most of the basics right, its tight kids-only third row and smallish cargo capacity, combined with a mundane driving experience, have us recommending the alternatives. The price of the 2025 Toyota Highlander starts at $40.970 and goes up to $53.375 depending on the trim and options. The XLE is an appealing value proposition and remains our trim of choice. In addition to the Lee's long list of standard kit, the XLE adds heated front seats, second-row captain's chairs and sunshades, a wireless smartphone charging pad, and a power sunroof. All-wheel drive costs $1,600, and we'd also spring for the premium audio with dynamic navigation package, which brings in dash navigation and an upgraded stereo system. The base La model can seat 8 passengers, but second-row captain's chairs are available on XLE and above trims, reducing the head count to 7. Although the passenger room is on par or slightly more generous here than in the CX-90, the Chevrolet Traverse remains the passenger space king, its third row offering nearly 6 more inches of legroom than the Highlander, which equates to room for adults. Cargo capacity is the same story, with only 4 carry-on suitcases fitting behind the Highlander's third row compared to the Traverse's 6. Materials throughout the cabin are of good quality, and the design is straightforward rather than leading-edge stylish. Upscale Limited and Platinum models provide the most creature comforts with leather upholstery, a larger infotainment screen, ventilated seats, and more frills, but still fall short of the feature-packed and handsomely appointed Palisade and Telluride. The La and XLE make do with an 8.0-inch infotainment screen, but a 12.3-inch setup is optional on the XLE and standard on Limited and Platinum. The latter also gets a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, while the rest of the lineup uses traditional analog gauges with a small 7-inch digital information screen. A 6-speaker audio system is standard, but an 11-speaker JBL audio system is available on XSE and standard on Limited and Platinum. All models get SiriusXM satellite radio, a 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa integration.